Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some oats for breakfast, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy. So today we'll be making some oats porridge, and with me here I have my four ingredients, and from this one I have some oats, some water, milk, and some sugar. So if at all you do not take milk, you can decide to use water alone, but it's not going to be the best option. Or you can also use milk alternatives such as coconut milk, or you can also use some almond milk or any other milk that you prefer. And without further ado, let's get started. In today's episode, let me give you the ratio that you're going to be using, and you'll need a measuring cup, and for every 1 cup of liquid, you're going to need quarter cup of oats. So I'm going to use 4 parts of my liquid, and that means that I'm going to need 1 part of this. So let's get to the other side and let's get started. I'll start by measuring 2 parts of my milk. Then I'm also going to add in 2 parts of my water. And this is the best ratio, I promise you that. Then as this continues coming to a boil, I'm going to go in with my sugar so that it can also dissolve as my milk gets hot. So I like adding 2 spoons of sugar for this ratio, and this will give me a serving for 1. Then I'm going to mix this to dissolve it. And that was smooth. So I'll go in with my oats before my milk gets extremely hot, because oats ni kama unga ya ugali. If you add it to hot water, itashikana and you're going to form some lumps, and we do not want that. So I'm going to measure out 1 cup of this, just like that. Then I'm going to add it in here before it gets extremely hot. Then we are going to mix this, and now let's start cooking our porridge. So you're going to continue stirring this for about 5 to 7 minutes thereabout, and that will ensure that the oats cook evenly. And the more you cook, the thicker it becomes. So remember, these oats are usually ready for eating. You can have them as they are, straight from the packet, but today, since we are making some porridge, it really doesn't matter for how long you cook them. They are already fit for eating, and so I'm going to cook them till my desired thickness. Then I've reduced my heat to low, and I'll continue doing this for about 6 or so minutes. So this is about a total of 6-7 minutes thereabout, and this is the liking. This is how I like my oats, this thick. So you can continue cooking them for longer if you prefer, but I like them at this point. So I'm going to switch this off. Oh, and you can see I'm going to let this cool for a couple of minutes before serving. But in the meantime, I have some grapes, and this is the kind that I'm using. So these are frozen grapes, and this is how I'm going to go about them. I'm just going to make some slits like that, so that they can just release their natural purple color, just like that. You don't have to overthink that. Then I'm just going to dump them in, and they're going to release their color as they defrost. Then I'll be back for serving and tasting. 2-3 minutes later, and this is ready for serving. For those who do not take oats, tell me, why wouldn't you take such a beautiful recipe? So you can see my bleeding grapes. They are just releasing their natural purple color beautifully, and let's have a taste test. Wow. This is so good. And oats are so filling. If you take this, you do not have to take anything else till the end of the day. Wow. Wow. And that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you love this breakfast recipe and you're also going to try it out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.